Here at Practice, we're pleased to announce the release of our support for Google Authenticator. In this video, we'll take a brief look at what it is, why you should use it, and a demonstration of it in action. So what is Google Authenticator, and why is it important? By taking the something you know and something you own concept, it provides enhanced two-factor authentication when accessing the Osprey Approach platform via browser and desktop app interfaces. So why should I use it? Firstly, it protects access to your sensitive client and matter data. Secondly, it provides more enhanced two-factor authentication. And thirdly, it has been developed in accordance with SRA security guidelines and recommendations. Let's now take a brief look at Google Authenticator and Osprey Approach in action. Our first step is to download the mobile app. Visit either the Google or Apple Store and search for Google Authenticator. Once downloaded, simply click on the Get Started link. From here, you'll see an option to scan a QR code, which we'll use within the next step. To configure Osprey to use Google Authenticator, simply log in using either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browsers. Then navigate to your account profile screen. From here, you'll see a two-steps authentication item. Select Google Authenticator, and now you can scan the QR code with your Google Authenticator app. Note, it's very important to copy the code that you see below. This is in case you ever lose your mobile phone. Copy it to clipboard if you wish and store it safely. Now save your settings. You'll now be able to use Google Authenticator to log in, and we'll see that in the next step. We're now able to log in using Google Authenticator. Make sure that you have the app opened on your mobile device. Navigate to the Osprey URL and enter your user credentials as normal. Click on the Sign In button. You'll now be prompted to enter the code that appears within the Google Authenticator app. You'll have 30 seconds to do this before a new number displays. Click Sign In. You'll now be presented with the Osprey Approach home screen. If you require any further assistance with Google Authenticator and Osprey, then please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team who are ready and willing to help.